Hi everyone, it's David with ZoomX, and I'm here with another Acesight VR video. I want to speak to you actually about one feature in particular called Find. So when we are wearing the Acesight VR, especially if we're zooming in on things to magnify to a high level, it can sometimes make looking around and trying to find things a little tricky. So we already know that the way that we pause the image, that is to take a picture of something, is to press and release the trigger button. However, what you might not know is that if you press and hold the trigger button, the image, which was previously magnified, is going to zoom out to minify, in other words, and it provides me with a crosshair on the screen. Without letting go of the trigger button, I can then move my head as I'm wearing the Acesight VR. And let's say I'm looking for a sign on the wall or a clock or a picture or something like that. And once I think I'm seeing it, I just release the trigger and the Acesight VR zooms right in on the new thing that I'm looking at. So again, it's called the Find feature, and you will find it in Acesight VR. Thank you.